Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble those beautiful mini Valentine's books that are available in my Etsy shop. Let me just push aside the third book. They are 3 books. You are going to receive 1 PDF and a gift from me. It's very cute. I decided to make something very different this time, like a little love envelopes with little notes in which you can write little sentiments. I'm very proud how they look. It took me a lot of time. So those books are available in my Etsy shop. I'm going to post a link to my shop where you can buy them. There it is. They look very beautiful. There are places where you can write something little, like little sentiments. And it's very easy to make. There are 4 sections this time. I made such miniature books for Christmas. So if you want to see them, I know that Christmas is already finished, but if you want to check them out, go and visit my Etsy shop. So I'm very happy because this is my 3rd video for the new year. Okay, let's begin. I've already cut out everything that I need. As you can see, I assembled 2 of the books, so you're going to receive 3 covers, and you can make 3 books, miniature books. So I've already made the section, 3 of the sections. Let me just show you how gorgeous are the pictures. Okay, so this is the cover. It's going to look like this when you cut it out. So you have to fold it like that here, so you can make the cover, as you can see. I've used, you can fold it by hand, but I usually like to use scoring board. And just take a glue. Let me just take the glue and put a little bit. I'm always using for my prints cardstock. As a tip, in the PDF you will receive this tip to use cardstock for the covers and for the pages, because if you don't want, you won't use it. It's your choice, but usually I prefer to be more hard, and that is why I don't use regular paper. I use cardstock to print them, because I prefer to be more stable. Okay, so the cover is ready. How to make this? I've already cut out the envelope, and I've already cut out this beautiful, let me just take it because it's so little. Oh. Apparently it's stuck. Aha! I'm sorry, I think I can't. Let me just. It's stuck for the glue because I made them yesterday. I prepared everything yesterday. Okay, it's ready. So this small, as you can see, note, and it goes there. There it is. So this beautiful mini envelope, I've already cut it out, and it's very easy to make it. Just make a little hole with your needle and use colorful thread. If you want to, of course, if you want to assemble this way, and this is the wrong way to put my needle. Okay, let me just put it here. It's very easy to make it. You can make it as much as you like to be long. I'm not going to make it so long. Let me just see where I put my scissors. There they are. Okay, just let me cut the thread. And it looks very beautiful like this. Okay, and let me show you how to fold the pages. As I said, this is one section, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth section. Before I glue them, all of them look like this. It's very easy to assemble the pages. We have these two pages, so we are going to fold them like that. See? Then we are going to fold it back. Again, we have these two pages. We are going to fold them like this. And again, the back. And those are the last pages. I mean the last page actually. So in the end it's going to look like this. We need to put a little glue for the pages. I'm going to show you. Okay, so put a little bit more. So like this is the first page that I glued. So we need to glue these two pages and these two pages to become the last section. This is why we need glue here. And glue the pages together like this. As you can see, this is the section and the last page. We want to stick them together so it will become one page. So I'm going to put glue here. And it is done. I'm just going to take the pages together and I'm going to just stick them together. I'm going to put glue here, oops, on the back and I'm going to stick them for the cover. Just put a little bit of glue. Okay. And I'm going to stick them for the cover on the center, like that. Okay, I am completely ready. So leave it like this. I'm going to leave it probably for 12 hours and it's going to stick. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for my channel, and if you like these miniature Valentine's books, you can check my Etsy shop. As I said, I'm going to put link below, and please subscribe for my channel because this will going to help me to develop my channel. So I wish you an amazing day and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.